Got a Ferrari 458 in our shop. The customer wants it fixed. First problem is instrument cluster screen. Half of the screen is white. Then check the side. It's getting white. A little white on the side. No need to change the whole cluster. Just the displays will be okay. Luckily, we have some in stock, so we can do it quickly. Another thing we need to repair is the head unit. The head unit does not start no matter how much we push the button. This is one of the common issues Ferrari 458 have. That means the head unit is broken. What we need to do is disassemble it. Disassemble the main board and repair it. Another issue is the customer would like to have reverse camera, so we can have reverse camera. Check now. When in reverse, there is no camera. We will enable reverse camera as well and install it on car. Now let's do the head unit. We can repair it. We changed the two displays on the cluster. We also made a small modification, changing the cluster back screen from yellow to black. Customer wanted something different, so now it will look completely different. Now we have repaired instrument cluster and head unit. Displays are both fine. Now we have reverse camera as well.